Okay, today I'm going to look at this Kenwood DP460 CD player. So I went and bought an amplifier, and the guy that was selling it was going to throw away the CD player and the tape deck that went with it. Now I've already fixed the tape deck. Unfortunately I didn't make a video of that, but it just needed a new belt. And this CD player I've already unscrewed, and I think it's a similar problem. So if I plug it in, make sure we got some power here. I don't think we got any power. Okay, so what happens is when you press the eject button, the open close button, you have to spin this to get it to move, and similarly to get it to close down fully I have to turn this as well. So it's almost like it's not pulling it into place. So you can hear that just buzzing. Well, you might not hear it, but then I'll just flick it and off it goes. And there you see when I tighten it up and that comes down. So it's just not quite starting off or pulling into the last sort of piece of the travel. So what I think that is the belt. So we'll do a replacement on the belt and give it another whirl and see if it actually works. Okay, so how do we do that? Right, okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll unplug it first. Safety first and all that. So I'm going to take this top piece off. So I'll unscrew that. Take off that bit. There, like so. Might even take that old CD out. I'll probably need the tray out to see what's going on. Thinking about it, so let's eject it. Okay, again unplugged. Yeah, and I think it's underneath this. So I'll unscrew that one, lift him off. Okay, and there's a micro switch here, and there's a belt here. Yeah, I think that'll just lift off as well. So we'll get the tweezers. See if we can, yeah, I'll take that out. See if we can remove that belt. Yeah, you see it's a little bit misshapen. So I'd say good chance that that's probably stretched and it's sticking, or something's not working right. So we'll change it and see if it makes a difference. So here's a pack I bought earlier, AliExpress. I'll just have a look and see what I can find to fit out of this pack. Some very small ones here, which is good because these are going to be useful in the future. I've got a bunch of fields. There's that. That's sort of similar-ish. Quite thick, these ones though. They're the same size. So that one's bigger, so I'd say that one is way too small. So I'm going to go with this one, I think. Let's try and get some light across into the machine so I can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to feed this through if I can. I've got to get it over this capstan. Like so. And then we've got to get it around this one, of course. Okay, that's back on. This one, I think, drops into a put it in with this up in the air. So these notches go around, and that's what pulls this down into place. So I don't know if this is going to work or not. Let's put a CD in. Yes, look at that. I think we fixed it. Open. Well, there you go, viewers. That's all it was. A belt, a couple of cents. So that's one Kenwood CD player fixed. So that's going to be great. Let's press play. Yeah. So this one I'm actually going to give to my son, who was after a CD player. So now I've got it fixed, I will do that. So there we go. One Kenwood DP, what is it, a 460? DP460 fixed. So that's how you do it. Little bit of messing about with this, but we got there in the end. Right, brilliant. Thanks very much for watching. If you want to see any more of my DIY fix-it videos, then consider subscribing to the channel. I'm going to be posting a video every week of me fixing something or other lying around the house, and I have got piles of stuff here that is just waiting for me to try and sort out. So and once we've done those, we can perhaps move on to a few more other interesting projects as well. Okay, until next time.